How to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. In order to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube Shorts, what you can do is you can simply proceed to first get the link. Now you can simply copy the link or get the link. So for example, let me just copy this right here. So for example, I have copied this. Once I've copied it, what I can do is head over and proceed to open up here the YouTube Shorts, YouTube application or YouTube Studio. Now once you have opened up YouTube Studio, you want to head over to the particular content that you would like to add, whether it is already pre-uploaded or you are just going to upload it. You want to proceed to head over to edit option, and once you're on the edit option, you get the option to add description. So what you want to do is on the description, you can proceed to paste the link here, right? The other option is you can add it on the title as well, or you can add it on the video within the video as well. So this is how you can easily add the Amazon affiliate link to YouTube Shorts. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.